In these slides, we discuss how to describe a problem to improvement teams. These slides were organized by Dr. Alemi. Focus on problems that are central to the organization and not necessarily convenient for the team to solve. Our survey of 92 quality improvement efforts has shown that many improvement efforts succeed in solving the local problem they were tasked to do, but these problems do not improve the survival of the organization, its market share, or its finances. It just doesn't matter for the organization as a whole. It's important to select problems that are central to the organization's future. Selecting a low-hanging fruit would be easier, but it will not matter in the long run. Better choose and address the problems that will transform the organization. Quality improvement units gather data, benchmark against peer organizations, and assign teams to the identified benchmark problems. The evidence that they provide regarding the extent of the problem is a key measure when it comes to finding if the team has succeeded or has solved the problem. They also state the problem in a set of words. We use these slides to describe what to do and what not to do in defining a problem inside the organization. In defining the focus of process improvement, the quality improvement unit should follow 4 principles. First is that the problem statement should not contain any solutions. Including a solution undercuts the point of bringing a team together to solve the problem. The second principle is that the problem statement should not blame any groups of employees. Doing so will make various people act defensively to avoid the blame. The problem statement should describe the customer's experience, in the customer's voice preferably, so that various interdisciplinary team members can have a shared understanding of the customer. The last principle is that the problem should be stated both as a gap and as an opportunity, so that different types of ideas are triggered among the team members. Let us look at some example. What's wrong with the statement that the therapist arrived too late and we were not able to serve the food on time? It looks a legitimate problem statement, is it? This statement blames the therapist, doesn't describe patient experience, but the provider's behavior, doesn't describe the opportunity. So it's not the right way of creating a problem statement. Here is a better statement. It describes both a gap and an opportunity. It does not assume that it's the fault of the therapist. It describes the patient experience. Let us look at another problem statement. What's wrong with a problem defined to be computers keep breaking down during the admission process, which may be the truth, but what's wrong with saying this truth? Which one of the 4 principles we discuss in these slides are not followed in this problem definition? Again, the problem statement blames the IT department and doesn't describe the patient experience. Here is a better description of the same problem. This description focuses on the patient experience, does not blame it on IT. It does not presuppose the solution will be improvement in computers. The take-home lesson is that words matter, and words used for a problem definition will make a difference in the solutions pursued.